Dear all, I've noticed many of you asking about my weight loss recipes. So I've put together a free ebook detailing a 10-day HeptaSlim program. Inside, you will find a 3-day detox meal plan followed by a 7-day regimen of slimming meals. This includes 20 meal recipes, 11 detox and slimming beverage recipes, and 5 types of slimming tea, all explained in detail. I truly believe this book will offer a fresh perspective on overall well-being. If you are interested in health, weight loss, and wellness tips, I invite you to add my Facebook jessiel.heptaslim. I will be sharing plenty of articles and videos on healthy living. Looking forward to connecting with you. Add me jessiel.heptaslim. Simply send me a direct message saying 777 to receive your free HeptaSlim ebook. Or you can send email to hey@heptacademy.com to receive your ebook.